have miles to go, and the sun has just set. But bearing the torch of strength, I, Nirbhaya, will surge ahead. This, my friends, is a day in the life of any Indian woman, be it a housewife who's returning from a local grocery shopping, or a celebrity out to meet her fans, a media journalist on a late night assignment, or a manager mom returning late from work. Not very long ago, a barbaric incident snatched a young girl away from her doting family, a sister from a loving brother. Much was said, debated, and less done. As days turned into months, into a full year now, life has moved on. Debates now have more gripping topics like elections and sting operations. But we cannot and we will not forget. Because nothing has changed. Have these incidents stopped taking place? Have they reduced in their intensity, their barbaricness? No. And they will not until we together find a cure to this malaise, this sickness of mind and soul. Thank you all for taking time out to come here and be a part of the solution. 6 months ago, a person thought forward and took the initiative to launch Public Forum of India Against Rape. We welcome the convener of this event, Dr. Ajit Saxena. Dr. Saxena needs no introductions. A senior consultant urologist and andrologist, he is the president of Delhi Andrology Society of India. Dr. Saxena has vast experience in fields of urology and andrology. He takes his time out to, he devotes his time towards a not-for-profit organization, Men's Health Institute, which aims at building public awareness about sexual health in doctors and in patients. Dr. Saxena's initiative, Public FAR, is his attempt to understand what goes into the psyche of a rapist and to think proactively as to what steps we can take to curb this menace. What steps we can take to prevent such atrocities, such heinous crimes from taking place in future. I request Dr. Saxena to please take over and welcome our elite speakers and audience.
Thank you very much for the kind words and the lovely poem. Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to you. 6 months ago, I felt very agitated. 6 months ago, people were still talking about hanging the perpetrators. Hang them by all means, hang them. Hang them 5 times over. But will that bring the life of this young girl? Or bring an uprooted family back? The answer, my friends, is blowing in the winds. And that got me. Now, while we are concentrating on punishment and punishment and punishment, the answer lies in being proactive. We have to try and prevent such things from occurring. We have to try and change the environment in which these young boys and the delinquents grow. And that set me thinking that if nobody else takes the lead, I will. I was very ably assisted in this with my family. They all supported me. अकेला निकला था, लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवां बढ़ता गया. Today, I have with me people like Kamalji, founder of DPL Industries, who not only gave me a blank check, but also his entire force at my disposal. And that includes the dynamite Isha. Thank you very much for it. Then we have Amit Tara of Tara Printers. The brochures that you have probably got were brilliant. Not a penny charge for that. And he didn't even want to come to the limelight. Heal Foundation, who worked for me selflessly. Never would you have seen anything projected by the Heal Foundation. They all did it for me and for the cause. Thank you, Heal Foundation.